Could the future of global finance lie within the realm of blockchain? As we gaze into the crystal ball of financial evolution, one thing becomes strikingly clear. The current landscape of traditional fiat currencies is riddled with challenges that are increasingly hard to ignore. Fiat currencies, those traditional mediums of exchange issued by governments around the world, are plagued by instability and inefficiency. Subject to inflation and manipulation, these currencies can create a sense of uncertainty and apprehension. Moreover, the current system of international payments can often be a slow, tedious, and expensive process. This is where cryptocurrencies like Sora come into play. Blockchain-based and designed with stability in mind, Sora is a new breed of digital asset that aims to function as a global reserve currency. Pegged to a basket of assets to minimize fluctuation, Sora offers a degree of stability that traditional fiat currencies often lack. But the advantages of Sora don't end there. In stark contrast to the centralized nature of traditional currencies, Sora is decentralized. This means it's not controlled by any single entity, reducing the risk of manipulation and creating a more democratic financial landscape. Furthermore, Sora leverages the power of smart contract technology. This allows for secure and transparent transactions, fostering a level of trust that's crucial in the world of finance. The potential of Sora to revolutionize the global financial system is as intriguing as it is promising. By providing a stable and decentralized alternative to fiat currencies, Sora could usher in a new era of efficiency and transparency in international trade and finance. However, it's worth mentioning that the journey to widespread adoption as a global reserve currency is paved with significant challenges. Yet the unique features of Sora make it a compelling candidate for the future of global finance. As we stand on the precipice of financial evolution, Sora's success could fundamentally reshape the way the world conducts business. The future, it seems, is not just digital but decentralized, and in this brave new world, Sora could very well be the new face of money.